Alright, hello guys, I'm on with 3 people. Adam is on Deafin, but I'm here with Sydney and King Snake. And we're going to be doing a double alarm unboxing. Really, this is the main event, but this is the insignificant item. So we're going to do this first. But this is BRK. And I only have this because it was really cheap. And you'll see what I mean. Because these normally are really expensive. So I'm going to get this quickly over with. Alright, so here's item 1. It's a BRK strobe. Let's take a look at it. If I can. Nope, I ripped the box. It's fine. This is not a valuable box. Alright, here we go. And here's all our other stuff. So this does actually have a horn. That's interesting. So this is a it's a BRK 100S. So this is a smoke alarm with a strobe, and it's hardwired. So this is an interesting one to add to my BRK collection, and it's see, it does have a piezo horn in there, as you can kind of see. So this is actually, unlike other models, they have sounders, and interestingly enough, it has, like, the way it looks like one of those 2839s, 5919s, but it has what appears to be the same exact button as the 86 RCs, but it just looks a bit different, which is kind of interesting. So I'm imagining this is from the 90s. So that's cool. Actually, yeah, it's definitely from the 90s. Look at this bracket. And then it just twists on like that. Put that off to the side, and we also got our manual, which is standard. So this is an ionization smoke alarm designed for the hearing impaired. And then we got our harness, which is your standard first alert / BRK harness. Now, with that out of the way, the main event that I'm really curious on is this.
Fingers crossed with the vision consent.
I highly doubt this will be a version that I want. I'm hoping at the very least this has the old design. Here we go. And this is my first time seeing a box for one of these. So this is a it's a 79R, your standard 79R. Now, as you guys may know, I already have one. Let me pull it out to show you guys. This is the used one that I got from Ethan, the smoke alarm fan. This is a fairly poor condition. The cover's popping up, and the horn is not original anymore. I swapped it from an FHCL. This is the more common one anyway, with the older BRK logo and the domed test button. So that's insignificant. And I also have another one I can show you, which is this.
Thank God, finally back.
Welcome back. It's my LVRI, which is very similar, but not. But I'm not going to explain this one because you guys won't understand it. But it's the same, essentially.
Did you take it out yet?
No, not yet. We're about to.
The horn color.
Yeah, we're gonna figure that out. All right. So these open like this. It's like peel off the side of the box. All right. Let's see. I highly doubt. Nope, this is the common one. In fact, it's the same exact common one that I have. It's got the same logo, as you can tell. But this one is in much better shape. This one is, this one has all the original stuff with it, and the box even. But yeah, I kind of went into this blind because we weren't gonna know what the battery's in pretty good shape actually. And then the other accessories like the manuals and stuff. So here's the one for the 79R. If anything, this will be the 79R I'll review. Because again, this one is in pretty poor shape. And I've already made 79R videos in the past, which I made with with the Ward ones, so you guys could check that out. But still pretty cool. I enjoy it, but I will not be, I definitely won't be keeping this because again, when I eventually get the tiered one, which will let me make a, yeah, here we go. Like this one, this is what I want the version to be, and there are also versions with the red horn. So yeah, but this, if it was the version I was after, it would look like this, basically. It would have the tiered test button, but with the 79R cover. This is basically what it would look like. So, with that aside, maybe next time. But these don't pop up very often, so I'll be giving this to another collector, of course. So, still had to record this unboxing video because of this. This is now the main event. But still cool to see the 79R box for the first time. So, with that out of the way, thank you for watching. And you guys want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.